Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 27 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 27 is refrigerant line inspection for insulation or any kind of restrictions or kinks. So what we want to make sure is that the refrigerant lines that come from this unit and run up through the house and go through the walls, through your attic, back down over to the cooling coil where your furnace is, we want to make sure there's no obstructions. You got to think about a garden hose when you kink it off. If that garden hose is kinked off, no water comes out the other side. With an air conditioner, if a line set gets kinked or a restriction somewhere inside of it, it blocks the flow of refrigerant, which means that it's not going to run right. If it's not running right, you're not comfortable anymore. On a hot day, sitting in the house sweating, going, my air conditioner's not working because maybe the gardener stepped on the line set or something fell on it because you were stacking something next to it, is what we commonly see. So we want to make sure that all those lines are restriction-free. And we also want to make sure that everything is insulated properly because we need the correct heat transfer through there so that the system also will work properly. It's really important that you get your maintenance done, and starting with a tune-up is the easiest way to go. It's an inexpensive way to get us out to your house, and it's also inexpensive to do continuous maintenance on there. Just like when you bought your car, you didn't buy a brand new car and not change the oil inside of it. Because let's face it, if you buy a car and don't change the oil, eventually the engine's going to seize and it won't run anymore. If your line set's kinked, it won't cool anymore. So please get your maintenance done. It's an inexpensive way to get us out and have it all checked out and make sure you have a worry-free summer. See you on the next video.